In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your workspace name on Trello step by step. If you've recently rebranded, updated your team name, or simply want something more organized, changing your Trello workspace name only takes a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it quickly and confidently. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the workspace you want to rename. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Boards page. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Boards, or by going directly to Trello.com and viewing your workspace dashboard. On the Boards page, you'll see a list of all your workspaces and boards. Locate the workspace that you want to rename. Be sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage multiple workspaces for different teams or clients. Click on the workspace to open it. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the Settings option. This is typically found in the Workspace navigation area. Click on Settings to open the Workspace configuration panel. This section allows you to manage important details like the workspace name, description, members, and other preferences. Inside the Settings area, you'll see your current workspace name displayed at the top. Next to the name, there will be a small edit icon, usually represented by a pencil symbol. Click on that edit icon. This will activate the name field and allow you to make changes. Now click directly into the name field. Delete the existing name or edit it as needed, then type in your new workspace name. Make sure the name reflects your team, brand, or project clearly so it's easy to identify later. This is especially important if you collaborate with multiple people or manage several workspaces. After typing in the new workspace name, double-check it for spelling or formatting errors. Once you're happy with the updated name, click on the Save button. As soon as you click Save, Trello will update the workspace name instantly. That's it. Your workspace name has now been successfully changed. You can navigate back to your Boards page to confirm the update, and you'll see the new name displayed there. Keep in mind that changing the workspace name does not affect your boards, cards, or content inside the workspace. Everything remains exactly the same, only the name is updated. This makes it completely safe to rename your workspace whenever needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.